What is up, guys? So this video, this is like the first snowfall, and I have nothing else to do. My Akon tramp is supposed to be coming tonight or tomorrow morning, but it's gonna be like dark by the time it comes, and it's snowing. So I'm probably just gonna be doing some flips of the trampoline. Nothing you've never seen before in this channel. Yeah. In the snow. I totally forgot what it felt like to jump on the trampoline with snow on it. It doesn't work. Every time I do this, my head hits the snow. Watch this. Ah. Oh no. Okay, good. I'm gonna jump off my deck and do this. Whoa. It actually hurts. I'm gonna go get a shovel quickly. Ball out. How does that work? I shovel it all off. Then, a few jumps later, all the snow gets back on because it's caught up in this net. That was my turn. Ah! Definitely not gonna double. But when it gets to be like a lot more snowy, or this is making sense. When it gets to be like more snow, like a lot more snow, I'm probably gonna make a giant pile over there, then jump off the deck, and make a pile somewhere over here. And flip off the trampoline into it. Because I don't really know what to do for the winter. Because I can't make normal videos like this every single day. Nobody really wants to see that. Alright, my camera just ran out of storage and memory card because I forgot to delete everything. I had like 90 videos on it. So I'm just gonna, I did like a double front. And the trampoline already has a bunch of snow on it. Yay! Double full, that's what I want. That was close enough. That was like a full and a quarter. About this. Oh no, go here. So I'm a double front because I'm a little retarded. Definitely not gonna double. It's cold. Snow is cold. Let me show you a ready to let go now. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go now. Ready to let go now. Yeah. I don't like that trick anymore. That's the second time that's happened. That's one of the reasons why I'm getting a new tramp. Last time this happened, I did double full, and I like under rotated and flew out of the tramp. If you did enjoy this video and watching me do flips in the snow and fall off my tramp, try a stupid trick, then make sure to give this video a woo. You're looking fast. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment video ideas you want me to do in like winter like this, because I can't do this all the time. Comment trick ideas. Well, I don't know. This is probably going to be gone by 2 days from now. So yeah, comment trick ideas. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video.
I really think you should.